my hairstylist showing up to my doorstep in about 10 minutes because the hair needs help. And I just found out that Glamsquad does the K18 repair service, which is a salon service, and they bring it to your doorstep. As soon as my stylist got here, she started setting up with her K18 Pro Mist and the K18 Pro Mask. And we started with the mist, which is really incredible because it can bring back up to 99% of hair's elasticity, which is key in preventing breakage. Now, once we applied this, we let it sit for 4 minutes to do its magic. And after that, we came in with the K18 Pro Mask. And if you're not familiar with this mask, it reverses damage again in just 4 minutes. So we let that sit while Watson came in and made a little cameo visit, and then we finished with a nice, smooth, voluminous 90s blowout. And just as a reminder, this is my hair before my K18 repair service, and this is my hair immediately after. Highly recommend this treatment, and of course, I'll still be using my K18 repair mask at home between services.